Hey guys, it's me, Marcell, or Zepagan, whatever you like to call me. And yes, it's been a minute since we had done a cooking with Marcell episode. You know, this is not gonna really be cooking or baking. It's just gonna be like freezing. But we're gonna make cookies and cream ice cream, and it's very easy. We got heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, and Oreo cookies, because cookies and cream, that's the original. And yeah, let's get started. We got this mixing machine. You know, you pour it in. Makes funny sounds. So you're gonna mix this for like 7 minutes. So yeah. So just so you know, if yeah, time it 7 minutes, but it needs to be soft too. It needs to be soft. If it looks soft, like a frosting, then you're good. Then you get to add in the condensed milk. So, alright, so that's how it's supposed to look. It's very soft. And yeah, now it's time to add in the condensed milk. So it could be sweet. You also, right, just so you know, fun fact, the condensed milk is very strong, so you gotta need a spoon to like put it down, to pour it down, because if you're just gonna have like a cup of condensed milk, it's not gonna pour. So, and also, right, one more thing that I also forgot, you gotta have 2 to 3 spoons of condensed milk right over here, so it could fit. Alright. And then you go back to mixing again for like a few seconds. And then, do a little taste test. Yeah. Alright. So, since we're done, did a few seconds putting in the condensed milk in there, you get to do a little bit of the fun part. Crushing the cookies. So, basically, you get to do whatever you want. You get to use a hammer. And, yeah. You could do any amount. Last time I did this, I did just like a quick thing. Each packet has 2 cookies, but right now we're doing 8. So, each cookie, right, has 2. So I'm not doing 8. I'm going all out and all that stuff. And yeah. You guys heard a man singing in the background? That was my father. But yeah. And yeah, you get to open this to have little cookie crumbs. I'm gonna continue smashing these just in case, I'm sorry. Pero yeah, so, what you do is also you get to mix it, so you get to like spread around the cookies, the little cookie piece. You spread it around, you mix it, and then you are done, you are finished. We ate an ice cream, Blue Bunny, not sponsored, but I just gotta get it in there. You get to put this in whatever thing you want, and then you got to put it in the freezer or fridge, whatever cold thing you have, and you leave it there for like 6 to 7 hours, either or. If you want 6 hours, good. 7 hours, whatever you want, or you want a 4-day, that's it. But yeah, this is very easy. I hope you guys get to do it. And yeah, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, ring the bell for all notifications. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.